Hey guys, welcome to my new video. My name is Claudio and today I'm going to show you how to pour a cappuccino. I believe this milky coffee is one of the most popular drink in the world. I'm sure you know it, and keep an eye until the end. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. If you feel like this video, please any comment type below, and subscribe my channel and wait a second. Hit the bell to be on time with my future posts. Thank you so much. See you soon. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to show you when it comes to cappuccino is the way how I discover in time on my service by steaming the milk first and then doing the coffee second. Cappuccino has a single shot of espresso, so for now I'm going to make 2 cappuccino. So the first thing I'm going to steam the milk and then I'm doing the shots. And I will show you the pour at the end. So the reason I did the milk first and then the espresso is that in the meantime, when you do the shots or you prepare the extraction, the milk, it will be separate from the foam, and just before to pour in a espresso, you have to mix it very well. Alright, so the first cappuccino. Oh, so beautiful. You see how silky and creamy and shiny cappuccino. You have to mix it properly. I'm going to show you with a spoon exactly how thick it is. The foam is about 1 centimeter. And then the foam is going to go on the initial foam when you do this. So as I know, cappuccino has to be served with some chocolate powder on top, so I'm going to show you this as well. Oh, look at that. Alright, so this is a cappuccino. Enjoy. I used to do this many times in my service. You have like about 40 seconds when you do the espresso, the coffee. So in the meantime, the milk, which is already steamed, it has a lot of time to be separate milk from the foam. And just before to pour it in an espresso, the milk, make sure you mix it properly and pour very slow. Because at the end you'll be happy, you will have very nice creamy and shiny foam on top of the cup, and yeah, that's all. At the end you can add some chocolate powder. It looks nice and it tastes nice as well, and yeah, that's all. If you like this video and you want to see more, please subscribe my channel and be on time with my future posts. Thank you so much.